Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about a long-awaited topic, and that is my Amazon merch journey. I wanted to do an update video for you guys to show you where I'm at and my game plan going forward. But before we get into that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Amazon merch videos from me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more print on demand in general. But now let's get into the Amazon merch update. So as some of you may or may not know, I actually started my Amazon merch account in December of 2020, even though I actually got accepted in, I believe, July or August of 2020. So it took me a while to actually get everything up and running because I was just so intimidated by it for some reason. It felt like a whole new beast that seemed so different from any of the print on demand sites I had been on, and the design seemed so different from things that I had been creating for Redbubble. So yeah, it definitely took me a while, but I eased into it, and December is when I made my first post. If you guys want to check out the video that I made when I first got accepted, I think it took about 2 weeks for me to get accepted. I'll link that up here so you guys can watch that first and then come back to this one. If you guys want, I can make a video on some tips of how to get accepted. Let me know in the comments below. I definitely thought out my little paragraph that I sent them before sending it. Like, I didn't just write random stuff. I tried to make it sound really good because I heard it was really hard to get accepted. So I can definitely let you know what I did, and hopefully that can help some of you guys. But back to my journey, I want to answer a few questions that I had and some questions that I thought you guys might be interested in finding out. So the first one is, how long did it take to get my first sale? Okay, so I uploaded the design on December 2nd, 2020, and I made my very first sale of that design on December 16th, 2020. So it took about 14 days or 2 weeks to get my very first sale, and I was pretty happy with that because honestly I thought it would take much longer. I feel like with all my print on demand stores, I started seeing the first sale within the first month. So usually it was about like 3-week mark. So I think 2 weeks is pretty good. It was quicker than some previous stores. So yeah, I was really happy with that. So the next question I thought you guys might have was, how many designs did I have uploaded before I got my first sale? So I know I definitely did not have all 10 slots filled up before I got my 10th sale, because like I said, I was taking that process quite slowly. So let me just double check how many I had and let you guys know. So I just double checked, and I actually only uploaded 2 items at that point, and they were both the same design but just different products. So yeah, I only had 2 items and I was able to make a sale. I think I maybe got a little bit lucky with that one, but shortly after that I uploaded more designs. But yeah, up until the first sale I only had 2 designs. So now the biggest question people are probably wondering is, how many sales do I currently have? And as of now, I have made 5 sales on Merch by Amazon. Yeah, I know it's not the best results after so much time, but sadly I have not really dedicated much time to this at all. I don't think I've uploaded in over a month, unfortunately, which is too bad. I do have all the 10 spots filled, but there are a lot of them that I need to just remove because they haven't sold and they've been up there for at least a month. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump into my Amazon merch analytics to show you guys around and what I've sold. I actually did get 6 sales, but one of them got canceled, which is too bad because, you know, at the beginning, every sale counts until you get to that first 10. So yeah, let me go into my laptop and show you my analytics so far. So this is my Amazon merch homepage. Well, it's actually the Pretty Merch extension homepage. Like any good Amazon seller, I decided to download it, and I actually really like it, so I do recommend it if you are starting out. I feel like it just lays everything out nicely for you, and you know, it gives you a good analytic page. I have not upgraded to Pro yet though, because I don't think it's worth it yet for me. So as you can see here, I have 10 live products. Right now I only have 1 product with sales, so 10% of my products have had sales. I haven't uploaded any today because I don't have room. I have to create some new designs though. So today's sales is 0. Yeah, definitely haven't had sales in a while, but my all-time sales, as you can see here, 5 sales for 55 cents. This 6 to 1 thing is because I actually made 6 sales, but then I had 1 return somehow already. So unfortunately that went down to 5. So these are all my products. Most of the ones I uploaded are standard t-shirts. I priced them with the typical beginner strategy with as low as you can because I don't really care about making a profit too much right now. I'm actually not sure. Oh, okay, those are the days until removal. So yeah, the countdown is on apparently. Right now I'm trying to sell to the US market, and let's just go down. Oh, okay, this one is not posted. Definitely did not change the price yet. Should have changed the price of that one, not sure why I didn't. And then we have standard t-shirt, Apple iPhone case, Samsung Galaxy case, Apple iPhone case. So this is the one that made sales for me. And as you can see here, it made 5 sales so far for a total of 55-cent royalties. So initially when I posted this, it was my first or second design. And I thought the $13.07 pricing looked kind of strange. Like I thought $13.99 looked better because that's like typically how pricing works. So people still bought it with that like slight increase in price, so I just left it. But yeah, you probably should just do $13.07 just to have the highest chance of actually making a sale because you have the cheapest product. So my BSR is 256,000 about, so I don't think that's very good, but it's probably not the worst, so yeah, I'll take it for now. I have some more products here. Standard t-shirts that have also not sold. So yeah, nothing too exciting to see right now because I haven't really made any sales beyond one product, but I thought I would show you guys that because it's interesting to see and I want to document it even for myself just at the beginning to see how far I'll be able to come. So I hope you guys like seeing those analytics. As of now, I am going to hide the products or designs I'm selling because as I've seen with Redbubble, there are so many copycats out there, and especially as a beginner on this platform, I definitely don't want to reveal my designs just yet because I know people will probably try to copy them, and I want to at least like get settled into this before I start sharing some designs. If I do, I'll see, because Redbubble has just gone completely crazy with copycats, and I'm okay with that because I feel like I'm established on Redbubble and I'm more of a brand at this point as opposed to just like a random artist that's just selling ocean pictures. So I think people know, you know, when they're getting a design from me versus someone that's just copying me. And it's also really easy to report people on Redbubble because I've been having to stay on top of that. So at least they remove people easily. But with Amazon, it's a bit trickier. So I just don't want to get into that right now. And I just don't want to lose out on potential sales because people might copy me. So I hope you guys can understand that. And sorry that all of these other people had to ruin me showing my designs by copying me on Redbubble. So for now, Redbubble will always stay transparent because that's how I started it and I don't plan on changing it. You guys have already seen everything, so I'm gonna keep that way. But for Amazon merch, I'm just gonna try a different strategy and see how that works. So now that you guys have seen that, I do want to share my plan for going forward because I do need to make some changes to ramp up my account. So the first thing I'm going to do is probably the obvious one, but I'm going to switch out all of the designs that have not sold yet. So every single design there that has not sold has been on there for at least a month. So I know at this point it's probably not a bestseller, so I'm going to change it with completely new designs, completely new trends, niches, all that. New research is going into it, and I just want to give a fresh start for all of those slots. The second thing I want to do is a lot more research going forward into my design planning stage and design topic stage, because I did do a little bit of research for the ones that I posted now, but they're kind of more obvious trends and broader trends. I think I really need to niche down and go more into the sub-niches to get a better chance of selling. The next goal that I have is to get out of tier 10 within the next 2 months. So I do want to give myself a little bit of leeway to figure out this platform, and I think 2 months is more than enough time. I'm already halfway there, so I only need 5 more sales, and I think that's definitely possible, especially with putting more research into my designs. So I'm going to try to do that and hopefully succeed. And the last thing I want to do differently is post more videos about my process. So I felt like because everything was taking me so long to just get it up and running and start seeing sales and just get my designs up there, that I wasn't going to film it because there wasn't really anything to share quite yet. So now that I'm at the halfway mark, I thought at least I'd give you guys an update as to where I am. But in regards to, you know, having like lots of success or, you know, posting a lot, I haven't done that. So there was not too much to share, but now that I am going to be more active on this platform as well, I'll be able to actually, you know, record what I'm doing and give you guys more tips and tricks as they work for me. But yeah, I definitely want to document it and help you guys out because I was intimidated to start and I had done so much research on YouTube. I'd watched so many videos and I still was like hesitant. So I can only imagine other people who are just starting print on demand out for the first time. So yeah, I'll make sure to keep it documented better than before. So now that you've seen my progress update for Amazon merch, I would love to hear any questions you guys have about starting on Amazon merch so that I can answer them in future videos and, you know, get the answers to them if I don't have them already. If anyone's wondering, I'm sure this process of getting out of tier 10 could have been done a lot faster with a little more effort. So I'm sure some of you guys have probably gotten out of tier 10 way faster than this, but I'm okay with taking it slow right now and just really learning the ropes. But that's all I have for this video, so make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.